sideline, Melbourne atmosphere suddenly has gone right through the roof.
It is crazy. There is a huge contingent of fans here for Fiji. They're loud and so are the Kiwis. I'm loving it.
Fiji ahead in matches between these two sides in Wellington by 5 games to 4. They've met in 3 finals of which New Zealand has won 2. But now Fiji are going to get the first chance for points on the board. Rocky Khan cannot get across. And Joeli Lutumailagi strikes first for Fiji.
And you can take it all the way back to the great defensive work by Nasoko. These boys are on. This Fijian team, and he's been good. Lutumailagi as the crowd goes up. Koleni Sao creates a one-on-one. Sione Molea gets caught flat-footed. But look at the power in the legs of Lutumailagi, and he is money.
Rocky Khan came across, but it was a forlorn hope. The Nandronga flyer. And they break out again, and it's the same man, Lutumailagi. They won't stop him. Once again, Fiji go end to end. They turn great defence into blistering attack.
2 tries from 2 turnovers in their own 22, Fiji. Same recipe, same formula, same result. 1-on-1 with Sione Molea. Klunisau gives it to his winger, and he's winning the battle of the edges, Lutumailagi. He loses his feet, does Sione. But geez, look at this, man. He's just having it up. No way you're going to catch me here, boy.
Fantastic, isn't he? Sione Molea just has to get himself back up. That's 2 tackles he's missed. Somehow he's got to turn that around.
To disrupt it. Firstly, they work it through the middle. Now the pass floated out wide to Lutumailagi. The Nandronga flyer. Sinatla comes across, and even he can't stop him. 8th try of the weekend for Joeli Lutumailagi, and the first of the final for Fiji.
Well, it did exceptionally well to draw on the South African defence and go up the middle of the park. Now, look at this. 2 players on top of their games, and Lutumailagi is 5-star.
Oh, he's just another star that Fiji's announced on the pitch today and yesterday. He has been outstanding, and it wasn't just the